Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Creating incredible kitchen decor for traditional homes is a delightful journey into timeless aesthetics and warm, inviting atmosphere. Traditional kitchens are characterized by classic design elements such as ornate cabinetry, natural materials, and rich color palettes. Wooden cabinets with intricate details and elegant hardware often take center stage, exuding a sense of heritage and craftsmanship. Traditional kitchens frequently feature stone countertops, pattern tiles, and vintage style fixtures that add a touch of nostalgia. The emphasis on intricate modeling, decorative lighting, and a cozy, family friendly ambiance makes traditional kitchen decor a favorite choice for those who appreciate a sense of tradition and timeless elegance in their homes. Furthermore, kitchen decor often embraces the concept of a gathering place. These kitchens are not just for cooking but also for spending quality time with family and fans. Ample counter space and a central island create a hub for social interaction. The combination of antique and modern elements can infuse a traditional kitchen with a fresh and electric charm. Overall, traditional kitchen decor exudes a sense of comfort and nostalgia while accommodating the functional needs of a modern style. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Designs channel.